officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Los Altos, California, Captain Ryan Bernacchi. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Blue Angels 2017.
Gentlemen, a big round of applause one more time for your United States Navy and Marine Corps Blue Angels. And a nice round of applause for the narrator from Wamego, Kansas, Lieutenant Brandon Hempler. We've got a birthday on the team today, everybody. How about that? It is Lieutenant Damon Cruz, number 2's birthday. Let's sing happy birthday to Damon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Damon. Happy birthday to you. And that puts a